What a crazy release. They always say that the Jordan 1s are going to be easily accessible. They said it with the bread toes. Now the Game Royals. Was it easy though? What's good YouTube, Ash Bash, back again with another video, and it is so nice to take a W for once. The amount of L's I take is actually crazy. I always say it's a good thing that I fail as much as I do, because if I copped everything I went in for, it would be a madness. But this one right here, the Game Royals, it was crazy. It was quite a crazy story. So on the Saturday, Nike released 3 pairs of sneakers at the same time. Craziness. The Game Royals, the Weatherspoons, and the Tinker Jordan 3s. You would think that they'd all have that same system where you put your order in and they have like a 30-minute countdown, but it only had that for the Weatherspoons. So I wasn't quick enough to put it on this because I didn't think this would be such a rush. I had other one as my #1 pick on there. So I did that one first, this one second, this one third. It was only on the third pair, the Weatherspoons, where I realised that sugar, that's the only one that's got the countdown. So totally missed out on these on Nike. Foot Locker, I couldn't even find it on the website. Other sites couldn't find it on the website. Then I saw a tweet from Offspring in Camden saying they've got it in store. I was heading to Camden anyways that day because it was my girlfriend's birthday, so I was like, let me actually rush down here early. Got down there about 10 o'clock, not even that early. I think the shop opened at 9:30. No one outside, no one inside. I thought either no one knows or it's not happening for me. I went in there, it's not happening for me. Empty. I randomly went into JD Sports. They didn't have them, of course. And then I remembered my girlfriend said there's a new size store in Camden. So went up the road looking for it, didn't see it. Then I came back and I noticed, oh, there's a bunch of people outside the shop. And I realized, oh, that's the shop. So there was about 8 or 9 people waiting outside. But I kind of knew most of them would be waiting for the Weatherspoons, because that's what everyone was after. So I'm standing out there, but the gate is closed on the shop. They've got a little barrier, but it's on the floor. Manager comes out and he is pissed off. Like, he's just shouting at everyone, saying that like everyone needs to stop taking the piss. They're all sold out. We didn't have that many pairs, etc., etc. He's asking people, "What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?" Some people are saying, "Have you got the Weatherspoons?" He's like, "No, no, no." He said to me, "What do you want?" I said, "Oh, I'm not even after them. You know, I'm after the Game Royals." He's like, "What size? What size?" And I said, "UK 10." He's like, "Yeah, I got you. I got you." So I was like, "Really?" Gassed in my head, but not too happy until it actually happens. Then about 10 minutes later, he opens the door just for me. I go in there and he's like, "Here you go." He had a pair of 10s and I think a UK 8 left as well. So super blessed. Didn't expect to get it, especially at like 10:30 in store, but that's how I got it. Now to the kicks. So these come in your standard Jordan 1 box. Black Nike, and colorway wise, it is Game Royal, Black Summit and white. And I tell you what, to be honest, when I saw pictures of these early on, I had zero interest. I don't know what it was, but they did nothing at all for me. And it was only as it got close to the release date, I saw more pictures on IG and it looked a bit fire. Then I saw people doing customs with the fragments and I thought, kind of an option. I probably won't do it, but it's an option. I don't know what it was. It's like when I first saw them, the colorway was different to what I imagined. I don't remember there being a black tick and the black elements on the shoe. For some reason I just remember it being blue and white, and I was like, I thought it was like a reverse of the Storm Blues. I don't know what was going on in my head, but after seeing those pictures I was excited, so I'm glad I copped. And boom, here are the kicks in all their glory. They are fire. Love the colorway. If you haven't seen the Jordan 1 fragments before, I'll throw up a picture now so you can see them. Pretty much similar colorway. Only difference is this toe box area and around this bit here is all black, and it was obviously a collab with fragments, and it's got the little embossed logo there on the fragment pair. They go for like 1,500, something like that. So a lot of people are gassed that they can just get this, get someone or do it themselves to paint it in and make them into fragments, but this is a fire colorway as it is. It's like a traditional Jordan 1 colorway, but in a new all over blue, but fire. Anywho, let's get close ups and show you the details. So if you've seen a Jordan 1 before, you've seen them all. Style wise is exactly the same, like nothing's changed. It's a Jordan 1 high, and it comes in this white, blue and black colorway. toe box. It's not a bad leather, not the best leather of all time. It's not a, I'm not going to say shattered backboard, because I know people get pissed off when people use that as the standard, so I'm not going to use it today. I'm not talking about shattered backboards, but it's not a tumbled, super tumbled leather that you see on the bread toes that recently came out. This panel here was super duper tumbled up. This one isn't. It's more of a flatter leather, but it's not. It's comfortable and not too bad. I wouldn't say they went too cheap on that. You got a white toe box with perforated holes in there. Front of the shoe is in this all over Game Royal blue. And then you have the Nike swoosh in black, again in leather, not in tumble leather like you find on the Royal ones. Towards the back of the shoe, it's in that Royal colorway, that Royal blue, super duper fire. And as I say, it's got the white paneling here with the black swoosh, which I think is fire and classic. Black mesh tongue with blue Nike Air written on the tongue, and the insoles are, let's have a look. They're just white and they say Nike Air inside. Nothing too crazy. And the Wings logo on here is in black. Super fire, 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 gassed. So happy to have got these. Missed out on a lot of Jordans recently, the bread toes, the gold toes, so nice to take a W on a nice pair. Anywho, gonna throw them on feet, show you what they're like, let go. And we're back. That was a quick look at the Jordan 1 Royals on feet. Sizing wise, as I've said in every Jordan 1 video that I've done, they fit me true to size, which is a UK 10. That's my true size. That's what I go with as my true size. Fit me nice. Comfort wise, as you know, with Jordan 1s, not the most comfy shoe of all time, but these fit me like they all do. So you wouldn't want to wear it like all day, but it's not a nightmare when it comes to comfort on these. But if you can pick up a pair, go for it. People said they were easy to cop. I don't know. You could say that because I ended up getting a pair in store, but online it seemed to go quite quickly, and I think a lot of people took L's on one pair than the other pair, and this was like their third choice backup, whereas it was like my second choice on my list. So gassed to have got them. Hopefully you enjoyed the review. Hopefully you copped a pair if you wanted a pair. And this is me signing off. Follow me on Instagram, @ashbashsneakers, Twitter, Perfection7. Signing off. Later.